and I'm coming to you from Kiowa, Colorado, where I'm a local decorator in the area. And today I have the amazing opportunity to discuss with you guys patches and how I was able to obtain a 200 hat order with a dimensional embroidered patch that I ordered from STAHLS.com. And I just recently found out, let's see, probably about 6 months ago, that STAHLS offers 3D patches. Look at the edges on that. It is pristine. Oh, hold on. It was upside down. And then here is an embroider patch. The edges, laser cuts. Oh, a flex style patch. Look at the dimension. You can see that in the video. Oh, it's so clean looking. And then I did this in a previous video. It's a leather heat applied patch. It looks gorgeous. And I'm going to mention, there is no creasing on this hat. Like, I did not burn it for once. It just looks beautiful. And I am so proud that I did not burn it. And it looks so pristine. Okay. As I mentioned previously, I was able to obtain a 200 patch hat order by simply supplying a sample to my customer. And this customer usually only orders about 100 hats from me at a time. So he'll order 100 in the spring and 100 in the fall months. And I really was desperate to earn his business because I don't ever want to say no. As a decorator, our number one thing is to always achieve a customer's request, okay? So I initially had tried to embroider myself. It doesn't look very good. A patch and put on a cap, and I will go ahead and show you what it looks like. So I embroidered this and I glued it, and it looks like complete garbage. I do pretty good embroidery. I, however, cannot, for the life of me, replicate this beautiful patch. I can't do it. Like, look at the edges. Pristine, beautiful. Oh, the texture, the dimension on it. It looks so professional. This looks like garbage. It looks awful. So at the particular moment when I try to do it myself, I realized that if I wanted to continue to earn this particular customer's business, that I had to step it up. And I went to STAHLS.com. I uploaded my artwork. I ordered this beautiful patch, and I received it 10 days later. My only problem at that particular time is that I did not have my 360 Fusion, and I refused at that time to order a mediocre cap press because I knew I wanted the 360 cap press because of the consistency, the durability, the fact that you don't have to have interchangeable platens. So I came up with the brilliant idea to go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and show this to you, okay? I was able to use my 15 by 15 inch max to apply this onto a hat. And I'm not even kidding you. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a photo and show you what I did. And you will see in this photo that I scorched the top of the cap right here because I will go ahead and demonstrate, but I'm not going to go ahead and scorch a cap because Richardson 112 hats are hard to come by right now. And whenever they're available, I buy them by the dozen. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate, but I actually heat apply it like I mentioned because I don't want to scorch A thing I will mention to you, I learned from, let's see, Mark Schwab, is to put your patches in a cup so that they are able to contour to the actual cap. So Mark, you are so smart, and I'm so thankful for your educational videos. So you want to pull, let's see, the band, the sweatband out, like I mentioned, and you want to put this down, and then just kind of contours to the platen. And my pressure is set at a 6, and since the patch is already bent, you don't need heat tape because let's see, the lower platen just kind of activates the heat on the patch so that it just molds to the cap. You're gonna take your foam, put it on here, press this down. Here we go, it's about to pop up, and I really want to show you what it looks like fresh off the heat press so that you'd know that I'm being genuine and authentic with you guys. So 3, 2, 1, and bada-bing, it is completely done. And this is what it looks like hot off of the press. Look at that. Besides the hair, crisp, pristine. It looks so good. Okay, you guys, real quick, let's revisit the patch options from STAHLS.com. The 3D embroidered patch, the flex style patch, which is upside down, the phenomenal embroidered patch. Look, no scorching, no scorching. And then the leather patch. If you are on the fence, or if you cannot financially afford to purchase a 360 IQ, I've given you an innovative way to produce a sample, which is what I did. And because of that sample, I was able to pay for my 360 IQ with 1 order. Imagine what you would do with 10 orders. And last but not least, print the price list from Josh Ellsworth. And if you're not already a part of the Heat Press for Profit Facebook group, I would highly encourage you to get on Facebook and request to be added, because there are so many phenomenal decorators on there. And I, for one, am always willing to share my innovative ideas, because I know what it's like to be completely stumped or not be able to do something. And it brings me so much joy being able to share what I have learned in a very short amount of time. Thank you again for watching. I hope you've learned something, and have a really good day.